It's a fledgling green heron being real sneaky. Right along the edge of 543. He saw me and he kind of fluttered across the stream. I thought he would have lit out of here, but he just crossed the stream and kind of hid in the shadows. Maybe he's so young he's not able to fly very far yet. I actually need to go back that way to get out of here. Can you see how invisible he is in the shadows? It's only because I saw him walk into there that I can see him. Actually, I don't even know where he moved to. The sun's too bright out here. Oh, he's still right there. Where's he going? He's getting ready to walk into the stream. I'm trying to figure out if I can get around him without spooking him. He just flew just a little ways around again.